In this video, I will demonstrate how to complete Section 2 of the Future Focus Plan assignment. First, you will need to locate the form that you used to complete Section 1 of this assignment. Section 2, you will need to complete the educational goals. To complete this section, you will first need to locate the Occupational Outlook Handbook. The link is here on your Future Focus Plan form. This website gives a list of occupational groups. You should choose the occupation group that best fits your career choice. And on that page, it will list all the occupations in that group in alphabetical order. The third column gives you the entry-level education degree or certificate that's needed to work in that career field. Once you've determined the education level that you will be seeking, you will need to come back to your form and click on the appropriate degree or certificate that you will be seeking. So if you're Jeffco going to earn an Associate of Arts degree, you'll transfer on some way to a Bachelor's of Science, and then someday earn a doctorate. So click on all that apply. Once you've determined the degree certificate that you are seeking, you're also going to need to find your degree plan here at Jeffco. Again, the link is in the form. This link will take you to the Jefferson College Degree Certificate Plans. You can also find this by scrolling over the Academics tab and go to Degree Certificate Plans. Here we list all of the degrees and certificates that you can earn at Jefferson College. We have the Associate of Arts degree, which is designed for transfer. The AAT, Associate of Arts in Teaching, designed for education majors. Associate of Fine Arts, to transfer for a bachelor's degree in fine arts. Associate of Science, designed for engineering students. And then the Associate of Applied Science degrees. And these are all listed below. All of the AAS degrees are Associate of Applied Science and may not be available for transfer. Once you determine which degree or certificate plan that you are seeking, you will need to click on the year, the catalog year for your freshman year. This is the degree plan for the Associate of Arts degree. We'll explain more about the degree plans in Section 3. But find your degree plan and you need to print it off. Once you have your degree plan, you'll need to come back to the form and enter in the name of the degree or certificate that you will be earning and your expected date of completion. You will also need to determine if your major that you've declared is appropriate. If you need to locate this, it's in the Students tab on My Jeffco. If it is appropriate for your career goals, check yes. If not, you will need to complete the change of major form, which is also located in the Student tab on My Jeffco, and you can fill out the form online. If you plan to continue your education from Jeffco, then you will need to list your degree that you will be seeking at the college or university. Once you've completed this section, you will need to save it and submit it to Canvas as you did before.